Alright everybody, today we need to make some DIY window covers for the two front doors and the back rear door. So let's get into it. Alright, so for this we're going to need some newspaper, box knife, marker, some tape, and Reflectix. Alright, for this part I'm just taping some two pieces of paper together. It'd be a little easier if this one wasn't messing with me. So then I'm just going to hang that paper up over the window. I'm just going to line up this edge of the paper with the window right here. Line up the top corner, tape that on there. Alright, now what I'm going to do is take the razor knife. I'm going to cut very carefully not to cut into my weather stripping for the seal around the door. So I'm going to try to keep that blade pretty short and just cut nice and slow and carefully. Outline that door. Alright, so we got our handy dandy Reflectix insulation material. I love whoever designed that package. They put a human shield as one of the uses. That's hilarious. Whoever designed that is a wonderful comedian. Got a great sense of humor. Alright, so we're going to lay out our Reflectix. Take our newspaper outline, put it over the Reflectix. And that will be our guide for cutting. Alright, so I think I've got the edges lined up pretty good. What I'm going to do is try and overcut. If you overcut, then you can always cut more off later, fit it down to size. A little cardboard under there so I don't cut into my table. Alright, so now we're just going to slide that in there. See how it fits. Maybe do a little bit of adjustment cuts. It's definitely a little too long in the end here, and possibly just a little too high. So what I've done is I've tucked it in, and I'm just gonna push it right in. And I'm gonna make a mark. A marker here, give me a guideline where to cut. I'm still going just a little bit over because I don't want to cut it too small. I want a nice snug fit. I can go back here and make our cuts. Alright. Bam. That fits in there nice and snug. Fits really good. I overcut a little bit right here in the corner. That's okay. It's gonna have a little bit of light leak, but I don't expect it to be perfect. But yeah, we're gonna use this as a template to cut the one for the other side, and then we just gotta do the back. Perfect. Alright, this back one is a little more loose fitting. It doesn't tuck in quite as tight as the front door ones. So what I'm going to do is add a couple of pieces of Velcro strip on the corners. That should hold it in good. Okay, so for on these front windows, if you guys are trying to go stealth, you can spray paint them black. That's something I might do in the future. I haven't decided yet. I do have a can of black spray paint. It would only take like 5 minutes. So I don't mind the way it looks right now. It looks better than what I was using before. I was just hanging a sheet in the door to try to block some sun out. But yeah, I think I'm going to leave them like this for now. Alright, so that's it, you guys. That's all you need to make a cheap, easy DIY window covers for your van. Super simple. It only took me about 30 minutes. Took a little longer because I was filming, but yeah, you could probably do it in about 15 or 20 minutes. It's super easy. Just need a few things, not a lot of materials. So I hope you guys learned something from this. And until next time, we'll see you down the road.